Hi YouTube fam, welcome to another NFT show. I'm very excited about today's NFT show. We're gonna be sharing now some games as well. Since we're in a bear market, games become very important investments right now because you're gonna make a lot of money when you're in the bull run on those gaming investments. So today we're gonna be sharing a play to earn game with you guys, which is called ARTYFACT Metaverse. We're gonna get right into its trailer because it looks very interesting and I'm sure you guys are gonna love that. I won't be able to play everything because we might just get a copyright strike because of the music and so on. But here's the trailer for the metaverse. Looks extremely good. It's gonna be about exploring the world. It kind of looks like giving the vibe about GTA as well, integrated with the NFTs. Certainly it looks very good. Like we can see there's gonna be NFT integration into the game. You can play NFT games where they also have a token, so things look very exciting. You can go to events. The token is gonna help you come into some kind of battle royales where you're gonna put in some money, other players are gonna put in some money. It's gonna be an RPG game as well, like you can see. So you will be able to win all the bets that everybody's put together. So whoever wins that RPG battle in the battle royale is gonna get the chance to win everything. So this is the demo as well. So we get into the demo. It looks very exciting, looks very good. What I really like about this game is the graphics. This is the first game built on Unreal Engine. Looks absolutely neat, clean. We haven't seen anything like this yet in the metaverses. Either it's pixel oriented voxels, we have also seen Decentraland, Sandbox with a lot of glitches, a lot of issues, but this one truly looks amazing. It has a lot of potential, and obviously everything is further gonna depend on how the gameplay is gonna be like. You can see here it's gonna be like an RT token. They can have battle royals. There'll be like prize money, so you can win that prize money, and obviously the token is gonna be listed on Binance Smart Chain. The biggest partner right now on this project is Binance Smart Chain. So I'm really excited. What I really like, I'm gonna say it again, is the graphics. The graphic look absolutely amazing. The city looks so surreal. The players, the characters, details, everything looks absolutely amazing. This is very clean, very neat, and there's so much happening in this game that you have to become part of it. So it's gonna be launching very soon. They haven't even started that massive marketing where you've seen an Axie Infinity, Sandbox, Decentraland. So I'm sure when they open their doors, this project is definitely gonna be massive. It's gonna be very big, and it's gonna be marketed very well too. The team is very good, very well known in the space. So I'm very happy and excited to show you guys a game like this, which is gonna be a game changer in the metaverse. So if we look into the details here, Artifact is a virtual world with digital land ownership and its own economy. The Artifact Metaverse will be divided into two types of areas, urban and gaming. In the urban areas, it will be possible to attend NFT exhibitions and 3D marketplaces, buy NFTs, virtual lands, properties, and clothes, as well as take part in events such as paid or free meetings, concerts, virtual runways, shows, and learning classes. The game areas will serve as arenas where Artifact citizens will be able to play various games such as Battle Royale, Racing, and Adventure. To participate in the game, you need to place a bet in RT or NFTs. The winner of the game will receive the bets of the other participants. So it looks very exciting. There's going to be a lot happening here, and like I said, games are very important. In a bear market, you invest them early. When the bull market comes and they pick up that hype, everybody's going to get very bullish about all of this. So we can be those first lucky people to ape into this game. Now if we look into further details of the game, it's going to be explore the world, play NFTs, games, earn, and obviously use NFT avatars, create 3D marketplaces. It's also going to be built in with the VR support, so it's definitely going to look very good in VR. What's the difference between all of them? That's very interesting. Metaverse NFTs, high quality 3D graphics, NFT games, 3D marketplace, features of influencers and brands, virtual billboards, while Decentraland and Sandbox kind of compete with them on Metaverse and NFTs. But other than that, nothing else really compete with them because NFT marketplaces only offers NFTs. So that is something very exciting. You can also play to earn RT or NFTs. There are 2.5 billion gamers that have been lied to that they have their own assets in game progress. They don't, but Web3 will solve this. Artifacts will have a special game areas where citizens will be able to play various play to earn games and own a sell game assets as NFTs. In order to play the game, each player will need to make a contribution, and RT, the winner of the game, will receive the pool. Like we've seen in the demo up there, they have different game types: adventure, multiplayer racing, battle royale, RT token, which is what I'm very excited about. RT is a native cryptocurrency and governance token of the Artifact ecosystem. You can use it to pay for any platform services governed, and the Artifact DAO will receive rewards by staking RT and get premium privileges. So if you get a very lucky person there and you become part of their DAO, I'm sure you're going to be very excited. The good part about the whole project is it's built on BSC, so it's RT is a BEP20 token built on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, thus ensuring high transaction processing performance, low network fees, and high reliability. So that's amazing. Used for payment, govern the artifacts, a lot of stuff, reward for staking, burning, privileges, a lot is going on. Token distribution looks very good. So everything in this roadmap, everything they're trying to do certainly looks very good. We're expecting the game to be launching very soon. So I'm gonna put the link in the description below. All you have to do is click in the link, watch the website, see if it excites you like I am excited about this, and I'm sure there are gonna be some FAQs down there as well. If you have any questions, you're surely gonna be getting those answers. So it looks very exciting, very entertaining. The game will be massive, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will be excited about this. Obviously, the graphics themselves speak volumes about the project. It certainly looks very good. It's powered by Unreal Engine and Binance Smart Chain. The best part about it is it's not gonna have so much gas fees, all that issues most people usually face in these spaces. Now let's aim into the NFTs. We're gonna get into 24 hours, massive news in the market about NFTs. Well, in 7 days, Bored Ape Yacht Club has dumped nearly 53%. And Other Deed has gone down about 42%. Massive hits right there because they have announced that they're gonna be moving from Ethereum blockchain to their own chain, which is going to be related to the ape coin that they have created. We've also had OKBear Yacht Club now, which is a copy of the OKBears from Solana, the original OKBears, which I did share a few weeks ago, and I did tell you guys this project certainly will get very big, and it's now beginning to get copied. I've also seen in this list below that somebody's also made Mutant Bears Yacht Club. So there's this massive competition, and people are just stealing each other's ideas, which is not very cool. Looking into this space, we really want some kind of transparency and ownership and copyrights of the products you have. Opensea has guaranteed that they're going to remove all those projects, but let's see whether they're going to do or not. Let's get into our first project. Looks very cool, very exciting. Another metaverse related project. So there's going to be 88 Degenerate Tunes that double as a membership to an exclusive metaverse community with the power to build it from the ground up. So the art looks very good. Some exciting stuff going on in the art. We have a lot of art here. There are about 888 items. Floor right now is about 1.9 ETH and volume traded is 11.4k. 3.7k owners right now, 8.9k items. So looks very good, very exciting, very early in this project. If we get into Degen Toonz, their website looks very exciting. About sold out. You can only get it on Opensea right now. So you're going to be minting a rewards, free t-shirt to the wallets that mint on launch day, which has already passed by. So there's no point we read more about that, right? So holding rewards, airdrops, DAO voting power, metaverse access, Toon token rewards, exclusive merch access, Toon Town private club, in real life meetup event access, hodler giveaways, ETH, Toon strips, and more. So roadmap looks exciting. Launch Discord, website, reward, growing community with giveaways including ETH, NFTs, and special roles within the community with whitelisting benefits. Launch the collection of 888 Tunes into the metaverse by mid-February, which has already happened. Community and connections enable our DAO system that will allow holders of the project to have voting power on all major decisions coming to the project via snapshots. Current hodlers will be rewarded with exclusive airdrops including additional Tunes and ETH. Minting rewards will be deployed. Official merch store will be released to all current hodlers with access to high quality merch related to the Degen Toonz brand. Phase 3, public service, activate and fund the community and charity wallets. DAO systems will be used to decide upon which charities will be considered. First in real life meetup merch store is released to the public, limited designs and quantity. Another phase, Toontown, the metaverse action begins. DAO voting starts. Construction of the Toontown in the metaverse, buying land on DAO desired platform. Hodlers will begin to receive Toon token for amount of hodling time, airdrop to all hodlers. Then metaverse is launched and the constitution of Toontown curated in the metaverse meetup. Next generation Degen Toon drops volume 2 is released, building a foundation for player to earn. So looks very interesting. Project looks very exciting. Has a lot of potential right here, like we saw in OKBears. Certainly just burst out. We even have copies of it going around right now. So certainly should ape into this project and consider this project to be a premium project soon enough. This project will likely to have a good upside coming. Right now it's just at 1.9 flow, so if you want to ape into it, you surely should, but do your own research as well. I certainly think that this project is going to do very well, and I'm going to put the link in the description below. So if you want to check out this project, you should, I think, and if you can, just ape into the project. If we get now into Gate.io's NFTs, top NFTs, we are seeing WOM game NFT right now really making headlines. The floor right now is $21 and about 68 owners, and total assets are about 800. Otherwise, a lot of projects here have also declined. There's this dump coming. The bear market is beginning to hit NFTs. Well, this is the best chance if you don't have an NFT bag to actually collect some NFTs, and surely you should, because you know when the bull run comes, all these NFTs will become 10x 20x and you will easily make massive upside. So if we get into WOM game NFTs, we can see War of Metal is a chain game that includes elements such as lore defense, development plus RPG plus NFT cards. There are many different game sections in the game, and you can also earn bonuses and limited edition NFTs by participating in the game. So that's the Telegram link you should surely get. They have a Twitter link and a Telegram link. Overall, they have 68 owners, just released, very latest project here out right now. About 800 items. Floor is $22. Volume traded looks very good. So overall, these are the kind of NFTs you can start aping into and you can get. The project certainly has a lot of potential and can be something exciting as well, because it's going to be a play to earn game. Like you saw, RPG, a lot of stuff going on here, a lot of RPG related stuff coming right now into the NFTs, which is very exciting. This is their Twitter, so if you want to get into NFT even, that's the Twitter that you have to get into. You're going to see a lot of Gate NFT official handle also tweeting about this and retweeting about this, so that's going to be something exciting for you to get into, and I'm sure this project is going to be doing very well. Another project from Gate.io that I'm very excited about, looks very good. One of the best art I've seen lately on Gate.io, and obviously looks amazing. So I have about 197 items, 17 owners, 7 is the floor price right now, just $7. Volume traded is also very good. The art looks very exciting. They're going to be building this project further as well, and we're going to be hearing some exciting news about this. So it's very reasonable right now to ape into this project. You can even bid right now, like the bid is starting and the offer is starting from $1. So you just have to decide whether you want to get into this or not. I have already aped into this project, so I'm certainly very happy that this project is also going to have massive potential right now in the market. So overall, we have seen that there's an upside downside coming in bear market of NFTs as well. Some projects are really doing really well, like we've seen OKBS actually becoming very popular, and I'm excited that I shared that project before it got that famous. So it's interesting to see. Maybe sometimes I have the eye of an eagle, where I look into the projects and they began to become very special out there. So like I promised, I wanted to share with you guys all the NFTs that I bought on Gate.io. So here they are. I have Froggies, I have Chum Chums, I have Cryptoronin, the project I just shared, Zombie Ninja, Cute Gang, Loser Ape School. Then we have Dreamverse, we have Sweetie Tiger, Sweet Girl, Loser Coins, Sweet Bunnies, Super Eggs, Paris Blockchain Week. So there are many projects that I've already started accumulating, and I'm looking forward to them, and I'm hoping that there are more exciting projects to be coming on Gate.io, so I can ape into them and make my big bag of an NFT. And when that massive bull run comes, I'm gonna surely be having 10 to 20x on all of these projects. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be back in here again tomorrow with a tutorial, our special Gate.io tutorial. So see you guys.